Hi everyone! Today we're heading to Cap d'Antibes and we've asked two lovely ladies to join us. May we introduce Ella and Tiffy, our favorite poodles. Driving around the old town towards the Cap, you pass by two of the prettiest sandy beaches of Antibes, Plage du Ponteil and Plage de la Salice. Just enjoy the view. Cap d'Antibes is one of the famous spots on the French Riviera that make you think of Milliardaires and fancy estates. But you'll be surprised. There's also a great coastal path, which we're going to check out for you. And here they are, Ella and Tiffy, ready to go for a walk. We park right behind the Plage de la R.I.P, where the footpath along the sea begins. The walk of close to 5 kilometers takes about 2 hours. And even though it's right by the sea, it has a fairly sporty profile.
You bet you keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate. We're not aligned.
We're going to follow the red path first and take the yellow shortcut later on. And do you have any idea why we're even able to walk this close to the water without entering anybody's property? It's due to one of France's great inventions, the Loi Littorale, the coastal law from 1985. One of its goals is to make the coastline available to the public.
Non, ça ne crache pas.
Merci.
J'arrive de La Réunion.
The path goes up and down the white limestone cliffs and their deep coves. The coastal fringe forms a wild landscape which is like a world apart from the built-up coastlines in Cannes, Nice or Monaco. And it's so charming, you meet all kinds of people any time of the year. For instance, fishermen.
Qu'est-ce que vous avez pêché?
Alors on a pêché des poissons de roche, de la vieille, du séran,
Hein?
une girelle.
Au revoir. Tschüss.
Oh, never heard about those. But we're told they're used to cook Bouillabaisse, the traditional Provençal fish stew. At the end of the coastal path, before we get back to our car via the small streets of the Cap, we pass another popular beach, the Baie des Milliardaires, beautiful especially at sunset. Just above the beach towers Villa Eilenroc and its plot of 11 hectares. We hope you enjoyed this walk as much as Ella and Tiffy did. If so, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Riviera Go. See you next time!